Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving the gift so that I can make this internship seminar video. Before starting, I would like to thank to Mr. Roni Fasla as the coordinator of the study program and Mrs. Ponce Dewi Karyanisi as the internship supervisor who has guided me all this time. Let me introduce myself. First, my name is Winnie Fitria Yuranti from S1 Office Administration Education 2019 at State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present the internship report in the administration section in the field of participation and archive at BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Jakarta Salemba branch. On this occasion, the topics of discussion that I will present are place of internship, company profile, company organizational structure, company business field, job description as an intern, obstacles, and how to solve it. Practitioner carry out internship in the field of participation and archive at BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Jakarta Salemba branch, which is located at Jalan Salemba Raya number 65, Paseban Senen, Central Jakarta City, then telephone, email, and website address that can be seen on the screen. BPJS Ketenagakerjaan or Employment Social Security Administering Agency since the end of 2019 officially using the nickname BP Jam Sostek is a public legal entity directly responsible to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, which provides protection for workers to overcome certain socio-economic risks due to work relationships. As a state institution engaged in social security, BPJS Ketenagakerjaan is the implementer of the Labor Social Security Law. BPJS Ketenagakerjaan as a vision and mission including the vision is realizing a reliable, sustainable, and prosperous employment social security for all Indonesian workers, and the mission of BPJS Ketenagakerjaan are 1. Protect, serve, and welfare workers and families. 2. Provide a sense of security, easy and comfortable to increase the productivity and competitiveness of participants. 3. Contribute to the development and economy of the nation with good governance. BPJS Ketenagakerjaan applies cultural values at work, namely 5 etika: excellence, example, harmony, integrity, concern, and enthusiasm. Cultural values are proof that BPJS Ketenagakerjaan will continue to improve its services in the form of providing protection to the Indonesian people by applying these values in carrying out their work. As you can see, this is the organizational structure of BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Jakarta Salemba branch, where each branch office is headed by a branch office head, and under it there is a wasrik and secretary. Then under wasrik are supervision and inspection. It is divided into 4 fields of work units headed by the head of the field, including the field of corporate and institutional participation or KSI, special program participation or KPS, services, finance, general, and HR. In general, BPJS Ketenagakerjaan has activities as a social security provider that provides protection for workers through 5 programs, namely first, JHT or Old Age Guarantee, second, JKK or Work Accident Insurance, third, JKM or Death Guarantee, fourth, JP Pensiun Guarantee, and the last one is JKP Job Loss Guarantee, which is a new program in 2022 organized by BPJS Ketenagakerjaan. Then job description during the internship. For information, the practitioner is placed in the administration section, especially in the field of participation and archive. As for during the internship, the practitioner is assigned to carry out several activities in several fields. First, field of participation. The participation sector is a field in charge of collecting, verifying, and managing data related to the participation activities, providing membership administration document services in order to provide accurate and complete data to support the smooth running of participation activities. The work I do in the field of the participation is conducting socialization activities for the BPJS Ketenagakerjaan program to companies or agencies are called wage worker (PU) and non-companies are called non-wage workers or BPU. The purpose of the socialization is to convey the mandate of Law Number 40 of 2004 concerning the National Social Security System and Law Number 24 of 2011 and provide knowledge and understanding of the importance and benefit of BPJS Ketenagakerjaan. Second, administrative activities in the field of Special Program Participation or KPS is taking the details of JHT of various companies from the data contained in Microsoft Excel and print a report detailing JHT in the SMILE or Worker Protection Information System application. Third, fill in or input the form of labor data information for submitting claims from the BPU form archive data for 2021 until 2022 or so-called Winback report. Fourth, print a report recap from the labor data information form for the submitting a non-wage recipient or BPU claim for the Winback report on the Zoho form application. Continue field of archive. In addition, the practitioner is placed in the archive section, which is in charge of carrying out archive management activities and archiving development, which includes archive management, archiving instruction, archive processing, and archive storage to support the smooth implementation of archival activities. The activities carried out by the practitioner in the archiving field are first, checking the validity of thousands of archived data or documents of financial accountability sheets or LPK in the form of general voucher for the Jakarta Salemba branch office located in Microsoft Excel. Second, scanning general voucher documents and their attachment, such as receipt, list of order for goods, and proof of payment transaction via bank as digital archive data. During the internship, there are several obstacles faced by the practitioner, both obstacles from within the practitioner or internal constraint, and constraint from the company or external constraint. The obstacles faced are first, assignment of unsystematic and monotonous text. Second, new terms that practitioners don't know about the BPJS Ketenagakerjaan program. How to overcome obstacles? For the first problem, the practitioner takes the initiative to communicate to the mentor regarding other work that must be done and asks other employees in different rooms to help with their duties. And for the second problem is the practitioner communicates with the supervisor by asking directly to the supervisor, or the practitioner takes the initiative to find as much information as possible about difficult terms on the internet. Thus, the internship report in the field of participation and archive at BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Jakarta Salemba branch that I can present. Sorry if there are mistakes and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.